guys, my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, right, so I've just stripped all these nails down. Obviously it is a redesign. I'm not working on that one, I'm working on that one. So there is an old design under there. You can just see some reminiscence of the colour. So I've thinned it out as much as I can. I usually do a clear base if I'm doing any design, but I don't know if you recognise these. These were with the, we used the poppets, the dual forms with the Aura gel, and did the cocktail nails. So there was no clear base down on these. But they're all going to get covered up anyway. So I'm working with acrylic today. I'm going to be using some of the Au Chocolat range, which we love. Obviously, the new gel polish range has just been released, which matches the acrylic range, which I'm all for. Right, first things first. I've already done all my cuticle work. Zoom in on there. Dusty hands. It's a dusty job being a nail tech. Okay, so in with our nail prep, and then in with the Ultra Bond Primer, Ultra Bond Primer, I believe is what it's called. Fabulous. Right, all I need, let's use peach. So I'm going to be using peach, ignore my stuck on tissue that's on that, peach core powder. And I'm going to be using toffee, which is my favourite. And when that's mixed with the mono, oh my god, so magical. Yes, we're going to be using that one, and we're also going to be using praline. We had this discussion last time, didn't we? Which is nice brown. It's shimmery, it's got a little bit of glitter in there. It's a beaut. So, it would help if I opened up my acrylic. So, I'm going to be coming in and doing our smile line first. There's two ways that you can do your smile line. You can either do your extended nail bed first and then cuticle area, or you can do it all in one bead. Completely up to you. I usually like to do it in two separate beads. That way I can really focus on the smile line, make sure I'm happy with it, it's nice and crisp. I love this powder.
This is one of my favourite of the cores.
So keep your nail tilted down. That's going to start, oh, it's warm in here. That's going to start helping form your smile line. I specifically planned to film today because it was supposed to be a lot cooler and there was supposed to be some rain. And it's turned out to be another beautiful day. I'm not complaining, but as we all know, acrylic does not like the heat. So, don't worry about getting that perfect. If you do, brilliant. If you don't stress, because I'm going to come in and give that a good file when it's set anyway. And now I can come in and do my cuticle bead nice and quickly before it sets on me. It's quite stuffy in here, isn't it? Or is it just me?
It is warm.
I'm stuffy. Okay, blend that in. Fabulous. So I do like a nice deep smile line. The deeper the better. Right, so I'm going to give this a couple of minutes to set, and then I'm going to get my smile line filed up. Okay, so we are set and all filed up. So as you can see, I'm going to really zoom in on this. So as you can see, I've filed in a nice sharp corner all the way around this smile line, which is what we want. Okay, let's pull out a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to be using, it was toffee, wasn't it? Yes, toffee. Now we don't, obviously we don't cap our core powders, but anything with glitter in, you're going to have to cap, because the minute we file this, it's just going to take the colour right off those flakes. So I'm going to just use this a little bit thinner than I would any other powder. I'm going to pop that on, take it up into these corners, get in that corner, but I'm not bringing it right up the edge of that wall. And I'm going to just press that in. I'm going to make another smile line. But make sure that doesn't come up and over that wall, because now what we're going to do, when you're semi-happy with that, oh, that's going to look pretty, Sam. Pop the lid on. So I'm going to do that, cover that now with clear acrylic powder and make another smile line. So obviously we don't need a lot of clear. I'm going to pop that on. Take that all the way up into those side walls. And start forming another wall. So I want it really nice and thin up in these corners. Again, I am going to be filing this, so don't stress if it's not perfect. We'll perfect it with the file and then leave just enough room down at the bottom for our next colour. Fabulous. The same again, I'm going to wait for that to set and then we'll give it a good file. Okay, so we've got this section all filed up now. Your corner is a little bit tricky to see on the clear acrylic, but it is there, believe me. Okay, now we're going to finish this nail off with praline, whatever you want to call it. Oh, I love this one. It's so pretty.
Oh,
it's
giving me all manner of life.
Oh, it's so
I love
pretty,
these colours.
Right, so make sure you're bringing that right up into these corners. As long as you've got your wall there, it doesn't matter if you go over. And press that right up into that top corner. Set in a bit quick, I might need a little bit more. Just going to get a tiny little bit for that top corner. Fill that gap in. Okay, right, we'll give that a couple of minutes to set and then we'll get it all filed up. Okay, we are all filed up. You know what I've just realised? Every single time I restart it, I go, okay, okay, okay. I wonder how long until that gets annoying.
I don't know.
If it hasn't already. Right, so we are coming in with the non-wipe top coat now. And this is going to make those... Oh, in fact, actually, let's give it a quick...
Oh no, the buffer!
Buff nubs. It's alright, I'm going down. One direction. Dust off. Oh, we're ready. This is the best bit. Everybody loves this bit. Oh. Oh. I love it. I love it so much.
Oh, fabulous.
Zoom in on that. Look at that. Okay, get it in the lamp before I mess it up. And we are going to be using the Mango Elixir Oil on this one. Little drop, and then make sure you give it a good massage in. There we go. Let's bring the light around this way. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.